So I'm trying to figure out what makes these two point and shoots different, because they have almost the same specs. This one's like the Sony W800 they do, and then this one's the Kodak EasyShare M381. They both have like a half-inch 1/2.4-inch sensor, so same size. They both have a 5x optical zoom, and like the only difference that I can see is that this one has a little bit more stabilization. This one shoots at 720p, this one shoots at 480p, but they both do it in like weird video formats, because this one was like 2008, this one was 2014. Both CCD sensors, so they'll have that like retro digicam sort of vibe. Both have a USB, both can be powered over USB, and they both have like a little battery and an SD card. So like if we look over here, like turn that on, like they're about the same size. I don't know, like it'd be hard to tell. The one thing that I did realize about the two of these is that the Sony, when you hit record, it can actually still optically zoom in, and that's kind of cool. But the Kodak one, it doesn't really say it explicitly in the manual. Look how dim that screen is. Maybe that's another reason. But like, once you have it in video mode up here, and then you hit go, it will stay at that same focal length. So you can only zoom in digitally, and it does it like jumpy like this. So very interesting. As far as stills go, I feel like they're super similar. Like they both got that little built-in flash, and like this one does 20 megapixels. The Sony does 20 megapixels. This one does 12. You're really not going to notice the difference. The Sony goes for like, I don't know, its original MSRP was around like $100 when it came out in 2014, but I consistently see this one selling for like $100 untested and like $150 to $200 tested. So I just sold this for $135 on eBay. This one I think I might keep, because like you can find these for like $50, and it's like largely the same effect. Like I don't know what influencer told everyone to buy this one, but you've got like a bunch of these other Kodak ones on eBay that are still good. So I don't know. Also, I forgot to mention that I got both of these from a relative. They've been sitting in my like junk drawer for like 5 years at least. It's being used. So that's like, I thought this one was dead, like the battery was dead. Turns out I just got a charger for it, charged them, and they worked. So if you have these laying around, or if you have relatives that have these laying around, like Merry Christmas right there, or just make a few extra bucks like I do. Save the planet, buy used, go on eBay. Not sponsored.